Channel V8X, start your engines. What happens when Honda takes hybrid engineering, luxury SUV comfort, and aggressive American-style design, and pushes it to the next level? You get the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid in white, and this machine is absolutely dominating the compact SUV game. This isn't just another CR-V. This is a statement on wheels. From the first look at that bold front grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and the custom Channel V8X plate up front, you already know this SUV means business. And let's talk about that front angle. It looks muscular, premium, and futuristic. Honda gave this machine road presence that punches way above its class. It looks expensive, because it feels expensive. Now move to that side profile, and wow. Clean body lines, aerodynamic flow, aggressive stance, premium alloy wheels. This thing looks like it belongs in a luxury segment. The side angle screams motion even while standing still. Then the rear angle, absolutely killer. Those signature LED taillights, that sculpted tailgate, sporty lower fascia, and the Channel V8X rear plate make this SUV look high-end from every direction. This back view is pure flex. Step inside and the dashboard angle is where things go upscale fast. Massive digital displays, premium materials, futuristic layout. It feels like a luxury cockpit, not a mainstream SUV. Honda really went all in. And the rear seat angle. This is where comfort takes over. Huge legroom, premium seating, family-ready practicality with executive class vibes. This is road trip luxury. Now pop the hood and look at the engine angle. Hybrid technology, efficiency, performance, intelligence, this powertrain is doing serious work. Smooth, smart, and built for the future. But put this machine on the highway shot, and this is where the 2026 CR-V Hybrid comes alive. Rolling at speed, the white paint glowing under the sun, the stance planted, the presence undeniable, this thing looks like a beast in motion. And that showroom angle, pure superstar energy. Under the lights, surrounded by reflections, this SUV looks ready for a red carpet debut. Now let's talk price, because this is where it gets wild. The 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid is expected to land around $36,000 to $45,000, depending on trim and options. And honestly, that is aggressive value. Because you're getting hybrid efficiency, luxury level design, advanced tech, SUV practicality, and premium styling, all without stepping into a $60,000 luxury badge. That's huge. This isn't just a smart buy. This is a power move. And let me say it straight, the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid White might be one of the hottest hybrid SUVs coming to America. It looks expensive. It drives premium. It saves fuel. It turns heads. And it delivers serious hype. Front view, stunning. Side view, dominant. Rear view, aggressive. Dashboard, premium. Rear seat, spacious luxury. Engine, future ready. Highway shot, absolute beast. Showroom shot, showstopper. Honda did not come to play. This SUV came to compete, and maybe take over. If you love powerful SUV reviews, aggressive car content, luxury automotive drops, and the hottest new releases before everyone else, subscribe to Channel V8X right now. Because on this channel, we don't just review cars. We unleash them. Channel V8X, where horsepower meets hype. See you in the next one.